Welcome back, YouTube. Today, as requested, I'm going to do a little demonstration between the NX10SE and the NX10 regular edition. Some people have asked what's the difference here. We're going to go through them and see what it is. I really love the NX10, so getting the SE is just should be hopefully a step up. So let's get into it. Right off the bat, you can see it comes with this special edition case. Pretty heavy duty, feels like styrofoam. That's some nice detailing here. It also comes with some stickers, which I'll be putting on my other case here. Let's open it up and see. Feels like a pretty sturdy case, pretty good to bring to the field. Here's the orange grips here, which I will be. Oh, also have a scale. I want to see what the weight difference is. I've heard that there's much difference in the NX10 versus the NX10SE versus the NX10. Charging cable. Well, this is kind of nice how it keeps it all together for you. Got some longer sticks here if you want. The adjustment tools and the orange. Got another neck strap here. And this looks like some kind of pencil case of some sort to keep all your stuff together. I don't know. I'll look at the manual and see what that is for. And then, without further ado, the NX10SE. Wow, that definitely is a lot heavier. Wow, I wonder what is in there to make it that much heavier. You can kind of see the two here. Let me push this to the side. The NX10. Right off the bat, I don't see much of a difference in just looking at it, other than the weight. And we all know that this has the upgraded magnetic gimbals, which I hear are amazing. Oh, you can definitely the SE feels so much more finer adjustments, if you will. This is a little bit looser. Maybe I could adjust the tensions a little bit more. You can see here on the 10, there's no adjustments externally. So you can see it there. So you can adjust the tensions there. I'm really curious. Let's see what the weight differences are here. So that one's 784.2. Maybe 1 second here. So 784 grams for the NX10. The NX10SE. Wow. 862 grams. So actually, if we do this, put this back on here, tear it, let's see what the differences are without doing fast math. About 80 grams heavier, almost 10% heavier. That has to be with all the gimbals. You can see here, the backs look fairly the same. Your adapters, your charging cable, get your audio out, and then this, I use this for crossfire adapter. I put some Velcro on there to use the crossfire adapter, which is great. I guess we could do. Wow, that is definitely noticeably different. Don't forget, you always got the trusty manual. Make sure you read every page of that. Let's see if I start them up together. If there's any difference there. Nope. Booted up about the same. And I did already preload the all my models on the SD card. So all you do is go into your SD mode, export all your models, and you can put them in here and then export all your models. Pretty easy. The only pain for me will be you have to rebind all your planes, but not too bad. I turn this off. I'll definitely be doing these orange grips here. Is there anything else in the box? Magnetic charging cable, I think I said that before. And then the case. Looks good. So I'm pretty happy because one of the things that I can't say I had a big dislike for it, but I like a weight in the transmitter. And this is definitely noticeably heavier in your hands. It's just something about it. I prefer a heavier transmitter. So that's about it. Any questions, just post them down below, and then I'll try and get to them. But if I were to do this all over again, I would have just went for the SE instead of the NX10. So thanks, YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.